To remove propeller, you need to be prepared with the excellent materials, excellent tools. By wrench, adjustable wrench, hammer. You need different type of hammer in plastic, in rubber, and also heavy hammer. And also probably you need the torch to preheat. Okay, I found that the propeller is bended, is broken, is damaged, and I want to remove the propeller. Okay, number one is prepare pieces of wood to support, to protect the propeller, no? In this particular case, I am going to remove the nut. The support should be here, no? In this place. Okay, number one, I am going to remove the cotter pin. Can you imagine the guys that remove those propellers under the water?
More money.
Yeah, more money. Anything underwater is more money.
Okay, the cotter pin. Never reuse the, other thing. The cotter pin should be marine grade stainless steel. Never use nails. No? This is a small propeller, but there are boats with propellers like 3 times me, bigger propellers. And probably those nuts are in that place for 10 years, 15 years. It's a lot of barnacles, a lot of corrosion in between, and it's difficult to remove it. This is why you need good pipe wrenches and also pipes to extend more lever. You hold it, the blades. Okay. We remove the first one. And now we are going to remove the second one. Okay, I don't remove the second one complete. I only create a room because I want to use the extractor. And in some cases, when the propeller is over there for long period of time, when the propeller separates, goes out. If the propeller is too heavy, you can cut it. It's dangerous. This is why you have only that space to separate the propeller. And after that, 2 people or with a forklift, you can remove the propeller. You understand? Okay, I'm going to prepare the tool. We are going to use this tool. This tool have one end closed, located here, and other end open. There are this element in 1, 1.5, 1.25, 2 inches, depending of the diameter of the shaft. No? Okay, this one is perfect for this type of propeller. I introduce the tool over there, and I try to keep this one in the center of the shaft, no? And we are going to tight, slow. I have a space, I have room to separate the propellers, no? If the propeller is stuck, you can preheat only the half. Only the half, never the blade. And you continue. Yeah, the propeller is gone, you see? Now the propeller is free. Okay, now I am going to separate the tool. And I am going to remove the nut, and my propeller is out. Okay, be careful with the key. Okay, that's the process to remove it.